Ever pushed your engine to the brink only to have the transmission give out first? In high horsepower builds, selecting the right transmission isn't just about smooth shifts. It's the backbone that channels raw power to the wheels without catastrophic failure. We're talking setups exceeding 600 HP where stock units crumble under torque. Key factors include material strength, cooling efficiency, and gear synchronization. Start by assessing your engine's output precisely. Dyno tests reveal true figures beyond factory claims. This foundation prevents mismatched components that lead to slippage or explosions mid-throttle. Let's break down the essentials for a bulletproof choice. Power levels dictate everything. Transmissions rated for 400 HP won't survive a 700 HP monster without upgrades. Look for units like the Tremec T56 Magnum, built for 700 plus lb-ft torque with magnesium casings for heat dissipation. Automatics, the 4L80E shines in drag applications, handling 800 HP stock but thrives with billet components. Evaluate your build's goals: street, track, or strip. Street demands reliability over raw speed, favoring overdrive gears for highway cruising. Track builds prioritize quick shifts in sequential patterns. Always cross-reference manufacturer specs against real-world dyno data from forums like LS1 Tech for unbiased insights. Manuals offer purest control, but demand stout internals for high HP abuse. The TKO series from Tremec excels with close ratio gears, ideal for autocross, syncing perfectly with big block power bands. Clutch choice is crucial. Multi-disc setups like Center Force DYAD handle 1,000 plus HP without slip. Drawback, driver fatigue and traffic. Automatics provide seamless power delivery via torque converters, essential for launches in 1,000 YT builds. Consider valve body tuning for firmer shifts. Stock electronics often lag. Hybrids like the Porsche PDK blend both worlds but at premium costs. Match to your driving style. Manual for engagement, auto for consistency. Torque capacity trumps horsepower ratings. It's the twisting force that shreds gears. Seek transmissions with cryo-treated steels in wide ratio options for low-end grunt in supercharged setups. Cooling is non-negotiable. External oil coolers prevent fluid breakdown above 200 dV, extending life in sustained runs. Brands like ATI offer custom flex plates bridging engine and trans, absorbing vibrations in 800 HP V8s. Ignore cheap imports. Failures cascade to drive shaft damage. Real-world testing via quarter-mile slips confirms durability. Aim for ETs under 10 seconds without drama. Invest in rebuild kits from proven shops for longevity beyond stock warranties. Gear ratios fine-tune acceleration and top speed. Short ratios multiply torque for brutal launches in high HP muscle cars, but hunt revs on highways. Opt for 3.731 final drives with a wide-range trans like the 6R80 for versatility. Overdrive gears, 0.7/0.1/RPM at 70 miles per hour, saving fuel in daily drivers pushing 650 HP. Sequential manuals like the Saadab and Exotics allow paddle shifts under 50 millionths, perfect for circuit dominance. Calculate via online calculators. Input power curve, get optimal spread. Mismatches cause bogging or over-revving. Test on track to dial in. Budget reality check. A solid high HP trans starts at $3,000, ballooning to $10K with installs and tuning. Factor compatibility. Bell housing bolt patterns must align. Adapters for LS swaps to older Muncies at $500. Electronics integration via standalone ECUs like Holley Dominator sync shifts with throttle response. Skip unproven eBay specials. They fail spectacularly. Consult builders like Bowler for turnkey solutions in 1,000 HP projects. Long-term, maintenance like fluid changes every 5K miles preserves investment. Way used versus new. Low-mile wrecks offer deals but inspect internals thoroughly to avoid hidden wear. Final verdict, for 600-800 HP street beasts, the upgraded 4L80E Auto delivers bomb-proof reliability with minimal fuss. Track warriors? Tremec Magnum manual for tactile precision. Above 1000 HP, custom dog box sequentials rule. Always prototype on dyno, iterate based on data. Not hype. Pair with matching clutch flywheel for synergy. Your build's soul lives in seamless power transfer. Choose wisely to unleash without limits. Hit the comments. What's your go-to trans for big power? Let's geek out on specs.